Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. So in this one, I'm going to be working with this armor personal carrier amphibious one. I think it's from Soviet Union times until today. Alright, so just removing all the sprues first of all, for all the pieces. Oh, and then here's this one. Careful to remove these as well. Now, be careful with the X-Acto knife, of course. Be careful with that. I think this would be the best way to work with getting that stuff out of there. Sure. That support plastic. Just kind of get that out. There you go. See how that worked? Next is this. And then these. Well, there you have it. There's all the cutting done. So one simple little step that I'm going to do here, just dab a little glue there. Boop, a little glue there. And then carefully place this, that. There you go. Set that aside to dry. Now, you can see obviously how this piece lines up because of how these things go together. And this piece goes like that because this curve is at the back. And then, anyhow, so let's go and do this one first. So, you see how that did that? You can even use the flat surface of the table to help with that. So actually, what's next? Just put a glue along these edges. Here we go. Like I said, pay attention to which angle it is at, but obviously it goes this way. Alright, so this is coming together simply and nicely. Now, take some glue, just put some glue there. And then here's this. Perfect. You got it. Okay, next is the gear. That one goes in the front, this one goes in the back. So just pay attention to that. Let's test fit where it will go. So I'm just gonna put some glue like every other there. Just paying attention, this will be that, and then getting that in the correct position. So essentially, just gonna eyeball it, I guess, like that. As usual, reference pictures, but I think that'll be good with the way that is. Now let's go ahead and get some glue on the other side. There, that should be. And then There you go. Tracks are on. And you can place that little turret in there. And there you have it. This one is available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so very much for watching the assembly video.